Hi guys, it is Renee from Kudos Kitchen here. So thank you for visiting my channel and welcome to my Kudos Kitchen channel on YouTube. I share videos mostly of my cooking, but today I thought I would try and do something a little bit different and share an actual vlog of me welcoming you and seeing my work environment. I'm going to share my desk where I do all my work and my kitchen where I do all my work. It's just the way it is. So I hope you enjoy this quick vlog. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone to do it because I plan on bringing you more vlogs of this type. Not just me talking to the camera, but actual vlogs of recipes while I'm working on them, while I'm developing them, and just things like that. So little something about myself. I didn't prepare myself this morning, so messy hair, no makeup. I did do my eyebrows, so they weren't too scary. I am a cancer survivor and proud of it. A couple years ago, I guess, is when I was diagnosed. I went through all sorts of treatment, and yeah, it was rough, but I made it through to the other side. God willing, it won't return. So far, so good. And if any of you out there are facing the same types of struggles, health-wise or any way, my heart goes out to you, and I know with strength and determination you can get to the other side of it and be even better than you were before. So hang in there, guys. Okay, I send you my love. So I'm going to turn the camera around. And just a disclaimer, I have not cleaned anything up. This is exactly how my house looks today. And yeah, for better, for worse. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around and let you have a good look at my desk area. Okay. Okay, this is my desk. It's right smack in the middle of my living room, which is the only place it would work in this house. We don't live in a huge house. We live in a tri-level. Oh my gosh, there's me from before. I was recording a video without audio. So this is the second time I'm doing this. I have two monitors. Love working with two monitors. Just kind of started doing that a few months ago. Makes a huge difference. So yeah, this is my desk. And normally I will have decorated for fall by now, but I haven't yet. And I don't know that I will, because to be honest with you, that's a lot of work. And I don't know if I'm prepared for that this year or not. So that's basically my desk area. I sit in a rocking chair, which sounds bizarre, but it works really well. And it keeps my legs here. Can you tell I'm rocking? Dumb, I know. Anyways, so it keeps my legs moving even when I'm not up and walking around. So there's that. Let me get up and we'll give you a tour of the rest of the living room area. There's Penny in her bed, and there's Nell. I'll give you a tour of the rest of the living room area, and then of course in the kitchen. Okay, that's the front door area. Kind of messy. Yes, it is. Lovely quilt my sister, who is a quilter, made for me. So some half-dead plants. We zoom around here. I did decorate the outside for fall, which I think that's very pretty. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. So anyways, here's the living room. Very eclectic style. One day we're going to get the bricks painted, but we haven't done that yet. So walk around here to our dining area. And then in the back, of course, there's the patio to get out into the backyard. And there's some of my video lights for working on videos, which you know I do. Hopefully you've seen some of them. And here I swing you around so you can see this. This is one of my most fun things. There's Julia. I spend time with Julia every day, and I just absolutely, that to me is just a charming picture. I know it's kind of silly, not for everyone, but that's me in a nutshell. Kind of goofy. Anyways, there's the other side of my desk area. And then we'll just come into the kitchen. And again, disclaimer, I haven't cleaned anything up. This is what it looks like today. Okay, come in, and this is where I shoot all my videos, right in this corner. Works out pretty well. I mean, it's not ideal, but it gets the job done. And there's the mess on the kitchen counter. Yay. Swinging around, we have a downstairs, which I'm not going to show you, but yeah, refrigerators. Got a nice pantry and some dried herbs on the wall. So that is my Kudos kitchen, you guys. I get a lot of work done here. If I'm not at my desk, I'm in the kitchen. And that's just the way my days are. So anyways, thank you. I'm going to turn the camera around again. Thank you so much again for visiting me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, the first of hopefully what will be many. We'll see how it goes. I'm planning on doing another one this afternoon, making some egg rolls that I bought them at Aldi. They're already pre-made, but what I did was I made my homemade sweet and sour sauce. So I want to just bring you along for that and do it in actual time and consider it a vlog. So yeah, that's the plan. I hope I stick to it. So I hope you all have a good day. If you have stuck around this long, I thank you very much. And I hope you decide to like and subscribe to my channel and maybe visit my blog, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com, and go pick out some good recipes. So anyways, I hope you guys have a really good day. Thanks for visiting. Take care. Bye.